morning, you guys. So it is 6:38 in the morning. I have been up since about 4:30. Yeah, I get up when the cocks crow. Lord, everybody else and all the kids are still asleep. So see you guys in the garden. Alright, you guys, so I am out of straw. I'm gonna have to pick up another bale. So I guess we'll move to the next section and do some weeding. Come on. Alright, you guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think that's gonna be it for today as far as the garden, but I will keep you guys updated. Everything within a couple months, everything should be booming really good, and I'll bring you guys back out here and show you what it's looking like. So I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss my videos. All right, you guys,